Dr. Zhu here, and the next in our little series is why do we need to use utensils to eat? Now I know that in some of the cultures where bread and flatbreads, chapatis and rotis are used to actually scoop out the food, scoop out the chicken so you don't touch the food basically, you wrap up the portion of the food with the bread and you break it off from the bone. Now, when you actually do that, it's good because you are not touching the food, I guess, and when you're actually looking at how much bread you are eating and how much carbohydrate you're putting in your body, because when you are eating this way, the traditional foods, you are eating rice with that, you are eating potatoes with that, which is an extra added carbohydrate which will be elevating your blood sugar up. So now, when you make your foods a little bit less spicy, because obviously you're making your foods traditionally very spicy and the bread is to counter that spiciness. So if you make your food a little bit less spicy, you can actually use even your potato dishes, even your rice dishes only just to remain as a carbohydrate portion of your meal. So if you just do that and you eat with fork and a knife or just with a spoon, it's actually going to be much easier for you to lose your weight and get your extra fat off and eat just enough. And again, you're drinking your waters and having your fruits before your meal, then this amount of carbohydrates portion, just like your rice and potatoes, one handful with your chicken portion or meat portion, and that's some of the ways it has to come a little bit up. Then it will be a balanced meal. Now make sure that if you are eating a lot more protein with a little bit of carbohydrates, just like salads or onions and tomatoes, that is going to be too little of a carbohydrate for a balanced meal. Now what happens then? This is also when you are going to be very sleepy after a meal, because it was just too much large amount of protein and didn't come any carbohydrate in your body, which fuel your brain with sugar, which is very essential for the body. So this is the reason to eat with utensils, so you can reduce and eat lot less carbohydrate. So use that. Even doctors are saying that that's very easy to change, just a little bit of cultural experience and conditioning at home to begin. And if you imagine how the Chinese eat with the chopsticks, you can even eat a lot less in one time because you're putting in just only amount of food which fits on a chopstick. So if you have chopsticks, you can even use that to train yourself to eat slower. Thank you. This was Dr. Zhu.